Alright guys, today I'm working on this train system. I came here Saturday and the system was down and it was off on the float switch, so I had to change that out. I came here to check the pressures and I hear this rattling noise. So kind of posted something on Google Plus and I'm back here today. So you hear that noise. So we're gonna open her up. This is a XL169 and give me 1 second. I got her all open and it's right here where it's shattering, it's rattling, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna put this magnet comes on. We ordered it from Train. They sell this, and we'll see what happens. All right. So you see here that the chattering has stopped, and this is the check valve magnet kit that you could order at Train, and it helps stop that noise from rattling from inside this check valve right here. If I pull this out, let's see what happens. It's on there. You guys hear that? That's it. So I hope this helps somebody out there in the field. This is a good repair for this noise. You could either do it with a magnet or you could just replace this whole check valve, but the company decided to do the magnet and on this train system. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, and share. And it's been a while, guys, so we'll see you on the next one.